Have you ever wondered what lurks beneath the ocean's surface? Not just the whales and dolphins we all know, but the tiny creatures so bizarre they seem to defy reality. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean under the microscope, exploring creatures that shouldn't exist but absolutely do. Our first stop takes us to the world of the salps. These gelatinous barrel-shaped creatures may look simple, but they're master architects of the deep. They filter water, consuming phytoplankton, and playing a crucial role in the ocean's carbon cycle. What's truly astonishing is their life cycle. Salps can reproduce both sexually and asexually, forming long chains of genetically identical individuals. Imagine hundreds of these translucent tubes linked together, drifting through the ocean. It's a sight that's both alien and mesmerizing. Next, we encounter the siphonophores, colonial organisms that are often mistaken for single animals. These creatures are like floating cities, composed of many individual zooids, each with a specific function. Some zooids are responsible for feeding, others for reproduction, and some even act as the flotation device. The Portuguese man-of-war is a well-known example, but the deep sea is home to even more incredible siphonophores. Some can grow to massive sizes, stretching dozens of meters in length, their bioluminescent bodies creating dazzling light shows in the darkness of the deep. Then we venture into the world of the larvaceans. These tiny animals build elaborate mucus houses around themselves. These houses are essentially underwater castles, complete with intricate filtration systems to capture food particles. Once the house gets clogged, the larvacean abandons it and builds a new one. This constant cycle of construction and abandonment contributes significantly to the marine snow, the organic debris that rains down from the surface, feeding life in the deep sea. The intricacy and efficiency of these tiny houses are a testament to the power of evolution. Finally, we meet the comb jellies, also known as ctenophores. These beautiful creatures are often mistaken for jellyfish, but they belong to a completely different phylum. Comb jellies lack stinging cells, relying instead on sticky tentacles to catch their prey. They propel themselves through the water using rows of cilia, which refract light, creating a shimmering rainbow effect. Some species are bioluminescent, adding to the ethereal beauty of these creatures. Their simple yet elegant bodies are a reminder of the diversity and wonder of life in the ocean. These are just a few examples of the incredible creatures that thrive in the deep sea, organisms that challenge our understanding of what's possible. They remind us that the ocean is a vast, unexplored frontier, teeming with life forms that are both strange and beautiful. So the next time you gaze at the ocean, remember the unseen world beneath the waves, a world where the impossible becomes reality.